going to listen to the train. It will be a real sound of a train. I'm afraid of the CD. So I need all the kids to come up here. Come right up here. Yes, and then we can hear it better because it will be playing from the CD. Look, that's a train. I'm going to put it right up here. A train, yeah. That's a yellow one and a red train. Now, when we are listening, we are putting our listening ears on. Show me. Just touch your ears like this. Ella, do you think you can do it, Caitlin? Do you think you have your listening ears? Olivia, Caitlin, listening ears. Good. And also, you need to be quiet. And you need to be still. Yeah, we either stand or sit. Come on in, up here, and let's put our listening ears on.
Listen to the train.
Whistle blowing. Woo, woo! Everybody try it with me. Woo, woo! Blow your whistle. Woo, woo, woo! And then, look, the conductor said, all aboard now. Can you say it? All aboard, yeah. And the train starting going slowly. Join me. Speed up. And stop. And the very last thing was the steam coming out. Can you try? Caitlin, can you blow your steam out? Caitlin, do you think you can blow your steam out again? Try it. So come on, all of you up here again. We can hear the train right here. Sit or stand still right here. Put your listening ears on. Do you have your listening ears on? Ella, do you think you have your listening ears on? Let's hear the train again. I know you wanted to hear the train.